Hatu PCN ya ka jingduna jong ka AMH hapo ka blood report jong pi. AMH kade ka anti-mullerian hormone ka bapenmi ekisambai jong pi. Kade ka jingpen ya ka jingdon jong kisambai ha ka tu ka por. Kam ya thu sendan ne kilat jong ka pregnancy. Wat lada ka AMH jong pi kade point 2. Wat la ka taru pidang dan ya kalat ban yok hun.
Ka Sarkar Jilla kala ajung menjur yaki amendment jang Meghalaya Heritage Act arhajar arpusan. Hagabau Menteri Rang Bak Jilla uloong bak jing temu bakongsan jang ni jing Pynkylla ki kendon kalong ban pendrong ya ka bakot ka living heritage ni jing tai umen barim ka ba im badakan lale kat kum jing tho ke bak sarkar kala pha ka UNESCO. Bahkan penbenano ya ki jingkieng diengjri kum ki World Heritage Site bat banang penklan ki nongrem kum tala penkelano Yala kajong ka Meghalaya Heritage Act ban pendrong ki kendon ki ban penbena ki jingtai ki menbarim ki baim ne living heritage kum ki jingking diengjri kum sibenta na ki jaka badan kaman yo ya ka ïada.
The main purpose of the Meghalaya Heritage Act 2012 amendment is to incorporate what we call living heritage. This is being done in line with our submission to the UNESCO for the living root bridges to be declared as World Heritage Site. And for us to be able to strengthen our case further, we are amending our own Meghalaya Heritage Act to incorporate provisions that would make living heritage like the living root bridge also part of what we also consider as heritage. So that's the most important part. Second aspect which we have decided in the cabinet today is that in the earlier Heritage Act that had come out, there were clauses that required the government to purchase the land or purchase the particular property for it then to be further declared as a heritage location or to further act on different aspects of this act. Now we have inserted a clause which says that government may, however, exempt acquisition of land or possession of the living heritage sites provided the same is vested with the community or society, which means that it is not going to be mandatory for government to acquire or to have ownership of that as long as it is owned by the community and the society.